What if you could manage your Amazon influencer business from one dashboard? Products, videos, competitors, and even brand deals. That's the power of Viral Vue. Viral View brings together every tool an influencer needs. You can discover review-worthy products with its viral score, track where your videos are placed on Amazon, and even export data to optimize your performance. The order history scanner finds overlooked products you've already bought, while the Storefront optimizer helps you tag products faster across marketplaces. And if you're on TikTok, VeraView has covered you there too, with product tracking and active link monitoring and brand deal automation. Ready to upgrade your storefront into a true business? Click the link in my description and start using Viral View today.